Y'all, it is that time of year where the Sephora sale is officially here. So come shop with me at Sephora so I can show you everything new along some holiday sets and to see what I end up picking up during the holiday sale. So let's get shopping. Y'all, it is literally that time of year where all of the brands are going to be rolling out with their holiday sets. So here we have Tower 28, we have Milk Makeup, we have Too Faced, we have some Charlotte Tilbury. Like these little holiday sets, I'm not going to lie, they're actually super cute. Though I feel kind of bad because I kept kind of like knocking over this display just because it wasn't like sitting right on the shelf. But ignore that, I did pick them up. But this is where all of the stores are going to be launching their little holiday sets. These make amazing stocking stuffers as well as Christmas gift to give to your friends. Now, they do have a nice little section just for fragrances. I've really been getting into fragrances lately, but I thought these were a really fantastic deal. Great way to try the products without breaking the bank to do so. And again, I kind of struggled with the display, so please ignore that. But I thought this little stand right over here was super, super cute. I did see that Living Proof had a really nice deal, like 2 full-size dry shampoos for $42. I knew I had to pick this up. They also had just a tiny little hair care section. Like we have Amika and we also have Roz. I've been really getting into this hair serum right over here. Next, Charlotte Tilbury had some stuff on display as well, along with Tower 28. We have Makeup by Mario. We have Poppy 28. Tower 28. You know what I mean? Yeah, Tower 28. We have Poppy 28. I just thought this little display set was so cute. We have all these Summer Friday holiday sets along with more Charlotte Tilbury, Fenty Beauty. We have Christian Dior. We have Huda Beauty. We have Say. This is every single holiday set pretty much that I'm aware of on display for people to pick up during the Sephora saving event, along with just picking up as great like stocking stuffers and gifts as well. I thought this display was super, super cute to look at. Then we have Tatcha. Tatcha is offering their Christmas display or like their holiday sets. We have Clinique, we have Skin Fix, we have Ola Henderson, we have Rare Beauty. Like everything is out on display right now, my Sephora, and I was so excited to kind of browse through here. Like, look at how cute this little benefit stuff is. I thought that was so adorable. Like you have Tarte offering 3 full sizes. I think it's like $42 for all 5 of them. I was shocked by the price of that. I could not believe that. There's more Charlotte Tilbury glosses on display. These ones look like they're a little bit more mini sizes, but again, they're really great for what you're paying for. Like you get 33 of these for $35. You really can't beat the deal. We have some more stuff from Benefit. Look at the little Lawless collaboration with Love Shack Fancy. I thought that was really cool. And then look at the little skincare display. Again, I was kind of impressed with how they designed their holiday sets. This is the brand new Urban Decay Moon Dust palette. This was actually super cute. I actually almost snagged it, but I thought I could put my money elsewhere. Then I saw how cute this little Sephora blush on the go was. I almost picked that up. Same thing with Givenchy. Like, look at how cute the little holiday set is. This is the Makeup Forever. These are four lip liners or eyeliners, however you want to call it. It's a really good deal. I really enjoyed it last year. Yes, I did have to pick up this one size holiday set. Could not beat the price point on it. Look at this little Tarte set. This retailed for like $50. Honestly, I was really impressed. We have some more Summer Friday products, some more Ola Henderson. Again, these are really great deals to pick up during the Sephora saving event. Next, we look at this little kazoo. This was so pretty. I almost bought this. Then we have some more Fenty Skin and Fenty Hair. These are, again, all their holiday sets. I was just browsing through. They're trying to see which one I personally wanted to get. I wasn't entirely sure, but this Kate Allie one, oh my gosh, it had Lychee and Eden in here. I thought that was actually super freaking cute, and I almost dropped my camera. Oops. Don't mind me. I just don't know what I'm doing over here. This was sold out online. But yet they had it in person. And then Laura Mercier had their little holiday display set on sale. I thought was actually super cute. We have some Kate Allie fragrances. Like, I've never seen the travel size of the Lychee perfume, so I definitely had to pick this up because this one smells absolutely incredible. Then I went over to browse over to the Glow recipe to see what they're offering in terms of their holiday collaborations. I actually almost picked up this glossy balm because I really want to try these, and I thought it was a pretty good deal, but I decided to pass on it. Claudie does have their holiday sets on display as well. They have a really good deal going on to get some of their eye cream and facial serums. Armani Beauty also has their holiday sets. I thought these were super cute. And then we also have Fleur. I was actually looking for the green Apple Smith, could not find it in person. I was actually pretty disappointed in it, but I was just kind of browsing through the holiday section. Now, I did see that Huda Beauty finally had their 2-in-1 baked setting powder. I almost picked up this one right here. It took me forever to figure out which shade I wanted to get, and then ultimately decided to pass on it. But I did see the brand new Huda Beauty blush palettes. Now, this one I definitely struggled to figure out which one I wanted to get. We had the baby pink, then we had the toasty peach. Look how pretty that is. followed by the Roseberry Peach. I literally sat here for probably like 10 minutes swatching each shade to figure out which one I truly wanted to get. And yes, I did pick one up. Then I looked over and I saw that Lawless had their little 3 holiday sets. I almost grabbed these because these are so good. You get a full-size lip filler and a blush. This was actually super, super, super cute. Next, Charlotte Tilbury had more stuff on display. These actually were selling out at my Sephora. I was like, wow, okay, good for you, Charlotte Tilbury. I thought these were actually super cute and really good deals. Again, these made great stocking stuffer and great way to try the brand without breaking the bank to do so. Okay, this little Ordinary like serum, this was actually super cute. And here I am going again, being a horrible filmer. I'm so sorry. But then Makeup Forever had another little holiday set. I found a lot of these goodies actually on display next to the register, although it felt kind of weird. Like, look, we have Crocs and Touchland. It felt kind of weird trying to film this right here because people kept going, excuse me, are you in line? I'm like, yes, I'm in line. I'm just also trying to film this at the same time. I'm so sorry. We have a little nice little Dolce & Gabbana holiday set, but yeah, I kept letting people pass me because I was trying to just generally look at all the holiday sets and just some cool little mini value sets and gift sets they had on display next to the register. I was shocked to see all of the Benefit like holiday sets right here. Like, these are so cute. Like this Milk makeup one, like, oh my god, it's so adorable. I thought it was actually really good value for what it is and such a cute little bag. But the biggest thing I was shocked to see, y'all, the Sephora holiday favorites, like It's Giving Nude Lip Kit. I talked about this like during the summer. This is so freaking good. The fact that they still have it, I was genuinely shocked. 42 bucks. Plus, you guys can get a discount on it. You truly can't beat it. Look at how cute this little chest piece is with Benefit. These are little holiday sets are super, 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 super cute. I really enjoyed looking at these. I actually ended up going to a different Sephora. I went to Sephora inside my local Kohl's and I was shocked at how much products they had. Like, they had the new Patrick Ta blush holiday sets. I was like, wait a minute, my Sephora doesn't have this, but they had this here. So I was so happy to see this in person. I did pick one up. You guys can kind of guess which one I grabbed because I really wanted to try this out. It was so freaking pretty. But again, I was so excited because my Sephora at my local Kohl's had more products in stock than I expected. Things I just generally did not think that this particular Sephora would have. But again, it was so fun to kind of go shopping here. It's a lot less quiet in this store and there's a lot more products on display. Like, again, I found the one size ultimate set right here. This has been sold out online and I saw so many different I was about to say copies, so many different sets available at this local Sephora. We had some Sephora favorites like the mascara. This wasn't at my other one. I didn't even see this online, so this is actually really cool to see. Some more holiday sets from Makeup Forever, although I showed this in my last clip. We just have a lot more in stock right here compared to the one next to me. What I think was actually really exciting was that this particular Sephora had a lot of their advent calendars. Now, I was tempted to pick up one of the advent calendars. If I saw the $99 one, I was absolutely going to pick it up, but they were sold out of that one. But they had the advent calendar in stock, and I was like, wait, this is so cool. Yep, don't mind me. Don't mind me. I had a chance to smell these in person. I did not like them. They stunk. But this was so much fun. I loved shopping at Sephora. So definitely stay tuned to see what I end up picking up during the holiday savings event. That was my Sephora shopping video. If you guys want to see what I ended up picking up along with what else I ordered, then stay tuned to my next video where I'm going to do a massive Sephora haul. But if you guys like this shopping video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channels, R for the Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful page members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you and I'll see you guys in the very next video.